And here's our magical mascarpone cloud frosting. We separate them outside the bowl because you can't get any bit of yolk or grease or anything in with the whites. Add your sugar and a pinch of kosher salt. And place your bowl over a pot of boiling water. You'll see why we use the metal bowl in a minute.
Shucks. Villains delayed. Heroes advancing. Chaos wobbling, but still within acceptable margins. For now.
Whisk constantly and bring this up to 160 degrees. It pasteurizes everything. Then whisk this to stiff peaks. That's a beautiful meringue. Cool it to under 90 degrees. Very important or you'll melt the whole frosting later. Metal doesn't retain heat as much as glass does. The package of frozen veggies helps cool it faster too. Hey! Oh, aren't you pretty? It fits perfect! Oh, well, I'll be dipped in bowl Twinkies. Whoa! Look at this! Oh, I'll just straighten it out. Now I feel like a mermaid royale. Oh, and there you go, stiff peaks. Now take your mascarpone cheese, heavy cream, and vanilla extract and whisk this to soft peaks. There you go. And caution here. And caution here. You can take from your meringue and use the whisk, but you can't put it back into the meringue or you'll totally deflate it and you'll end up with egg white soup. Meringue can't get any bit of fat or dirty or grease or anything in it ever. Oh, sugar, I love your new hair. All those pretty colors. It looks great on you. Whoa, heavens to Betsy. Do you feel that? Sugar? Yeah. Like the universe just said, everybody calm your cotton-picking nerves. Then Marina's okay. Wait till we try some royal recipes now. We tried this recipe with cream cheese and it kept lumping up. We beat it smooth before adding in the cream and everything. Then folding it in, but it kept coming up with lumps. We even tried this twice. Lumps. Post a comment if you get it to work for you. What the hey is this malarkey? Why does everything feel contained? Poopy? You know, it's like someone slapped a lid on chaos and said nope. Sheesh, I hate this. This feels like bull's nut.
Ah, the crown has chosen its keeper.
Shucks. I don't know why I get the shiny hat, but dagnabbit, whoa, someone's gotta keep the doo-doo from hitting that fan. Here's how we made the decorative top. Starting in the middle, take a teaspoon and spin it around. Drizzle a bit of jam on top and spin it again with a fresh spoon. We use pretty much 2 pints of blueberries between the layers and for decorating. Whoa! Crud muffin! That wasn't turbulence!
That was authority, baby. The polite kind. The don't make me ask twice kind. It's like the universe just cleared its throat.
Right. Oh, something just settled. Like when the bottle used to hum before yanking me back in. Only, good grief, nicer.